In front of me is Samsung Galaxy J5 from 2016, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, find and select the settings then. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Now locate and open Software Info, and here you will notice build number. Just click on it 7 times, and as you can see, you've just unlocked developer options. So if you'll go back, you will be able to see developer mode right here. Click on it to activate it, and now you can use all the features that are included here. So for example, if you would like to activate strict mode, just tap on the switcher, then you can deactivate it the same way. If you would like to prevent USB audio routing, also just mark it and then deactivate it the same way. And this is it. Just click on the operation that you would like to perform on the tool that you would like to activate and smoothly use it. Then, once you want to switch developer mode off, click here, and as you can see, it's no longer active. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.